Okay, name the angle included by the sides PN and NM. I'm just going to point something out here that they both include vertex N in their name, which let's see how that plays out when we actually identify it. PN, side PN going from here to here, and side NM going from here to here. And that, as you can see, clearly identifies that those two sides create the angle. It's worth noting that an angle really isn't a thing in and of itself. An angle is simply the rotation of two sides away from each other. How far they're rotated away from each other around this vertex point is going to describe the measure of the angle. Let me give you an example, a little visual example here if this will work. Okay, we've got one line here, and then if I make another line here, these two lines, how far we rotate them like this will be the measure of the angle. So, like I said, an angle really isn't a thing in and of itself. It's just simply the measure of the rotation. Now, you do have a vertex point, but when we talk about an angle, we're talking about this, that it's made by the two sides. So, essentially, we know that those two sides will have to both have a vertex point that's in their name, and as you can see, they do. They both have N up here, and N is the answer. So we're done.